Hi, Fallon. So I extended the deadline on this. I gave it some thought and decided that, I want everyone to do their best job on this, and I wanted to give extra time. All right. So I reviewed a lot of I guess I reviewed all of the critiques, and I did see one that raved about yours. I also agree that it was really clever and well done. I think everybody loves neon, right? So I thought that was a good idea. All right, so anyway, I'm going to review this, but you do have time to update it. That's nice. Good idea. So your accompanying font is Acumen. I don't think I've seen that. I recommend left justifying. I see what you're doing. You're just putting the labels. Well, people's eyes like readjust every time something is justified. You might find that it has a sleeker look if you just left justify the subheads for those. Just try it. That looks really nice. Well organized, beautiful treatment. Okay, so one thing you can edit is this one word on a line. It's called a widow. When I did that seven tell document, I didn't know, nobody was talking to me about widows back then. But now with the advent of, easy to use desktop software, I did do it on the computer back then, but I think more people use it now. So little things like widows in typography are noticed by more people. Anyway, I wanted to point that out to you. It's one word on a line. So in order to fix that, perhaps return Gaussian and then bump everything so that effect isn't by itself. That looks really nice. Well organized. Are you a design major? Wasn't this fun to do? It was like my favorite thing when I did that. Don't squish it. Don't put it by itself. That was funny. Beautiful. Looks really nice. Well organized. Also, your stationery. Multimedia advertising. So I'm looking at this at 50%, and this font look like one is bolder than the other. I don't know if that's my PDF viewer. Let me see. Yeah, they look different. So that doesn't look intentional. So if you did want to do a different look for these definitions, I think you need to make it more deliberate so that people realize that you mean it. All right, that looks really nice. I appreciated it, everything you did throughout. My only comment, something for you to consider, is to reverse this out, do black with white type throughout because your logo is awesome on black. It also looks good on white. But if you have time and I think the black will be more attention getting because it's less common. Anyway, it looks great. You've done a wonderful job.